Okay, students, in the last lecture we had studied about the evolution. Okay, we had studied about the Homo habilis. Okay, the Homo sapiens. Okay, now what is evolution? Okay, I am revising. Yes, what is evolution? The process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to develop from earlier forms during the history of earth. Okay, means the gradual, okay, the gradual development of something. Okay, the gradual development is called the evolution. Okay, we have seen about the skilled humans. Okay, in the last lecture we had seen about the Homo habilis. Okay, the skilled humans. Okay, the species of humans who could use their hands, okay, skillfully, are known as skilled human. Okay, in simple words, what is skilled humans? Okay, skilled manpower, it is also called as skilled manpower. Okay, it refers to the person who is trained, well educated, okay, energetic, experienced, devoted in their field, okay, and is capable of doing any specific work in a balanced way and efficiently, is called skilled human. Okay, skilled human is a person who is well educated, trained, okay, in a particular field, okay, in whatever field he is devoted, okay, devoted to in his field, and is capable of doing any kind of work, okay, any specific work in a balanced way, यानी कि in a systematic way, is called skilled human. Okay, the first evidence of this species of Homo habilis, okay, it was found in the border region of Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. Okay, the stone tools that were made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting animals. Okay, it was used for scraping the meat of the animals. Okay, the scraping the meat from the skin of dead animals, and or breaking bones to get the marrow. Okay, he ate the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. Okay, so this was about the Homo habilis. Okay, now we are going to see about the Homo erectus. Okay, what do you mean by Homo erectus? Okay, Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. Okay, erectus means the one who stands erect. Okay, what do you mean by erectus? Erectus means one who stands straight. Okay, one who stands erect, hence the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Okay, his brain was developed. Humans of the Homo erectus species, they lived in groups. Okay, having seen a wildfire, humans knew about fire. Okay, it is likely that Homo erectus had learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. So what did Homo erectus do? Okay, it is likely to learn the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees. Okay, he used to fetch the branches of the trees to use that for fire. Okay, during this time most of the earth was covered with ice sheets. Okay, the earth part, okay, it was covered with ice sheets. Okay, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire. Okay, he was knowing. Okay, he was surviving in that extreme cold climate. Okay, he was capable. Okay, he was surviving in that climate because he had learned the use of fire. Okay, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire. Okay, he did not have that technique of making fire. Okay, tools made by the Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical. Okay, the tools, okay, the tools made by Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical. Now what is symmetrical? Symmetrical means made up of exactly similar parts.